Hey everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you two easy ways to use Do Not Disturb mode on your Android device. Let's get started. Method 1. Quick access from the control center. The first way is super simple. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the control center. Look for the Do Not Disturb icon. Once you find it, tap and hold on it. Now, you can set how long you want Do Not Disturb mode to stay active. Pick the duration that works for you. Tap Done, and you're all set. Method 2. From the Settings menu. The second method takes just a few more steps. Open your device's Settings app, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Vibration. Then, go all the way to the bottom and tap Do Not Disturb. Toggle it on to enable the mode. Now here's a cool tip. While Do Not Disturb is on, you can allow specific app notifications, so you won't miss important alerts like meetings or reminders. Just tap on App Notifications, hit the plus icon, choose the apps you want to allow, and tap Done at the bottom. That's it. Two quick and easy ways to use Do Not Disturb on your Android phone. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss any of our future tips and tutorials.